Are you struggling to keep up with your studies? You're not alone. Many students face this challenge. But don't worry, effective studying can change everything. Today, we'll explore how to study effectively in just a few simple steps. This video will make your study sessions more productive and enjoyable. Firstly, set clear goals for each study session. Ask yourself what you want to achieve. Having a focus helps you stay on track and motivated. Next, create a dedicated study environment. Find a quiet space free from distractions. Ensure you have good lighting and comfortable seating. This area should be solely for studying. Then, break your study material into smaller chunks. Instead of cramming, study a little each day. This method improves retention and reduces stress. After that, use active learning techniques. Engage with the material by summarizing, questioning, and discussing with others. This deepens your understanding and makes learning more fun. Also, take regular breaks during your study sessions. A 5-minute break every 25 minutes can refresh your mind. Use this time to stretch, hydrate, or take a short walk. Now, let's look at an example. Suppose you have an exam on biology. Instead of studying all at once, plan daily sessions. On day 1, focus on cell structure. Day 2, dive into genetics. Each day, review previous topics briefly. Summarizing, effective studying includes setting clear goals, a dedicated space, breaking down material, engaging actively, and taking breaks. By applying these strategies, you'll retain information better and feel less overwhelmed. Ready to transform your studying habits? Start implementing these tips today. Like and subscribe for more ways to enhance your learning journey.